Afghanistan or Islamic State forces in Syria and Iraq, and not only provide firepower on demanding ground forces, but also scout ahead and gather intelligence on enemy forces. The aircraft would not be suitable for fighting countries like Russia and China that deploy advanced, fully modern air defense systems. Basically, USAF wants a manned aircraft that can act as both a weapon and sensor platform, and is inexpensive to boot. Previously, the Air Force has used everything from A-10 Thunderbolt to attack jets to B-1B bombers in the close air support role. These aircraft are often an overmatch for chasing guerrillas, and they're also extremely expensive to fly. A B-1B costs $61,000 an hour to fly, while the F-35A Joint Strike Fighter, which the Air Force has designated the A-10's successor, costs $42,000 an hour. Whichever plane wins OAX, it should be cheaper to buy. The Textron Scorpion costs just $20 million versus the F-35A's $90 plus million, and also cheaper to fly. The Scorpion costs just $3,000 an hour to operate. Over 1,000 flight hours, that's a difference in operating costs of $39 million versus the F-35A, the equivalent of nearly 2 entire Scorpions. Even compared to the relatively inexpensive A-10, the Scorpion is $14 million cheaper over 1,000 hours. The other 3 contestants, being propeller-driven aircraft, are likely similarly inexpensive. The OAX aircraft may end up being cheaper, but it won't lack for features. All 4 aircraft feature wing and fuselage hardpoints for carrying a combination of weapons and fuel stores, including laser-guided bombs for striking targets with precision. While OAX won't have the A-10's famous Go-8/A 30mm gun, it could carry a lighter caliber gun pod. OAX will almost certainly have a dedicated sensor pod. Half of the contestants have the L3MX-15D sensor pod, allowing it to detect enemies' targets long ranges including at night. How would OAX operate in wartime? An OAX aircraft could loiter in an area where troops are likely to face contact with the enemy. Once it gets the call, it could use its sensor pod to quickly figure out where friendly and enemy troops are. It would operate at altitudes greater than 10,000 feet to avoid shoulder-fired surface-to-air missiles, dropping laser-guided bombs on enemy forces marked by forward air controllers on the ground with lasers. Laser-guided rockets such as the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System are another option. Dropping below 10,000 feet, gun runs with weapons such as the Go-19/A3 barrel 50 caliber Gatling gun are an option. The AT-802U, for example, can carry 2 at once. The OAX project has the backing of the Air Force and Congress. Chairman of the Senate Armed Services Committee John McCain has authorized $1.2 billion over 5 years to purchase up to 300 aircraft. The requirement, well, to acquire the planes, and the dollars are all there. Unless all 4 wash out of the competition, it seems a certainty that one of them will win out and become the Air Force's next light attack jet.
We're fine. We can go in the clouds. Oh, now they're climbing.
Try to match their speed.
Try over the top?
Yeah, let's go over the top. Alright, I am ready for pod extension.
Okay, we're ready.
We're going to slow down just a hair for the pod extension.